This is asking you to find the measure of angle A. So pause your video now so you can find angle A. In case you forgot, a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, so all you have to do is subtract 39 and subtract 58 from 180, and that leaves you with an angle measure of 83 degrees. In working with triangles before to find sides and angles, we were always working with right triangles, and that's where the Pythagorean theorem and sine, cosine, and tangent became helpful. But for any triangle at all, you can apply the sine rule right here, which is simply sine of angle A over side A equals sine of angle B over side B equals sine of angle C over side C. Now, the angles are obvious, which ones are A, B, and C, but the sides perhaps not so. The little a, which only stands for a side, is always from angle A, you go across. So the side opposite that angle takes the letter, but it's lowercase. So opposite angle B is side B, and opposite angle C is side C. And you can apply this to find either sides or angles. This question is asking to find the length of AC. So first off, let's put an X on AC. Now, we'll be using the sine rule to set this up. Pause your video now to see if you can set up a proper proportion to solve for the length of AC. In this problem, we're given angle B, angle C, and their opposite sides. So opposite of angle B is side B, and opposite angle C is side C. So in order to set up this proportion, we need to start with this portion. We'll start with sine of B. So sine angle B is 58 over, and then side B is across from angle B, that's X, equals sine of angle C, which is 39, over side C, which is 12. To solve this, we're going to do just like we have been doing with any proportion, and cross multiply. So X times sine of 39 is simply sine of 39x, and then 12 times sine of 58 will give you some number if you put it in the calculator, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Now to solve for x, all you have to do is divide by sine of 39. These cancel out and you're left with x equals, and if you plug this whole thing into your calculator, number one, be careful with parentheses, and number two, you'll end up with the answer of 16.17 for the length of side AC.